Do you also share your laptop with others, maybe your friends or family members? Then you need to watch this video. I'm going to show you how to protect your privacy when anyone uses your device. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's dive into some simple steps to keep your files private when sharing your laptop. First, I'll show you exactly how to check what files were accessed when you have shared your laptop, so you know what's been opened. Second, I'll show you how to prevent that in the future by setting up separate user accounts so no one can access your personal files. So without wasting any time, let's start the video now. So first, let's see what files were accessed last. So press Windows key plus R or click on Run, then type shell:recent and hit enter. It will take you to the recent items section where you will see all the files you have accessed recently and you can sort them by the time you last opened them. Next, just to show you, let me open a demo file. So let me quickly open this document, and next we will see if it's showing on the recent items section. Let's validate now and see the document with name Java is showing at the top on the recent items section. And if you want to delete any record from here, you can also do that very easily. So this is how you can verify what someone accessed after sharing your laptop. Next, we will see how to create separate user accounts. I believe this is the best way if you share laptop with someone on daily basis. You log out from the system and let them log in with their own ID or accounts. So please watch this video till the end. And one more thing, after watching, if you think the video was helpful, then please do like the video and subscribe the channel. I keep bringing this kind of helpful tech contents for you all. So let's see. So to create user account, please go to the settings, then you have to click on accounts. Now scroll down, then you have to click on other users. Let me scroll down. Yeah, here you go, and let me click on other users. So to create the account, we need to click on add account. So let me click that. If the user whom you want to add already has a Outlook or Xbox account, you can directly give the phone number or email ID here. For now, I'll click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. So let me click on that and it's done. And next, let's see what it asks. So here, if you want, you can create new email address as well. But for now, I will click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Next, you need to provide the name. You can give any name. Let me give test user 4, just a random name. Next, obviously, we need to give the password as well and we need to retype it. So we'll do it quickly. I'm just giving some random password. So yeah, it's done. Next, we need to also, give some answers. In case we forget the password, then these questions will help us to log in. So we'll do it quickly. Let me write ABC for all the questions, but when you do it, make sure you give the correct data. So all steps are done. Now we just need to click on next and user will be created. I think you can see test user 4 is showing here, and based on your needs you can also change the account type, like you can make it administrator if you want. For now, I'll cancel it. So this is how you can create an account on Windows. Before trying to log in with the new account, let me show you one thing. I'll go to the downloads folder, and here you can see there are multiple files present currently. The reason I'll explain later. Now let's try to log in with the new account. So I'll click Windows plus L, and next we'll switch the user. So I hope you can see test user 4 is showing. So I'll click on that. So let me give the password quickly. Yeah, let me type. Yeah, it's done. Oh, it's wrong, my bad. Let me try once more. And yeah, it's done. See, it worked. So the first time you use the account to log in, it will take some time. You just need to wait until Windows finishes getting everything ready. Let's just click on next and we'll accept it. Yeah, it's done. And the account is ready to use now. Now let's validate one thing. Let me go to the downloads folder using this account. And as you can see, none of the files are showing in the downloads folder. That's why at that time I checked the downloads folder using my previous account. But any files outside of my account, like on D drive or E drive or other locations, will still show up using this account. Let me click on the documents folder as well. As you can see, no files are showing up here. But in my previous account's document folder, there are multiple files. So this is how it works. And removing the account is also very easy. Let me quickly show you that as well. Just click on remove, that's it. And it will ask delete account and data. That's it. If you click on that, the account will be permanently removed. So let's wait for a few more seconds, and yeah, it's gone. So this is how you can add accounts, basically to protect your privacy. That way, whenever you share the laptop daily, they can just use their own account. It's very easy, right, to create user accounts. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this. So that's it for today. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel so that you get notifications when I bring such videos for you. We'll meet again very soon. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.